All right, here we go. We're starting to get concrete walls put up. What the first do is go through here every 2 feet, drill a hole and put a nail. That keeps this board tight to the concrete, because over here, plywood concrete form attaches to this, and you can screw it in and need something so this wall doesn't move. So that's why this board needs to be nailed in for this to attach. And then on the back side, there's all these braces up through here support the wall when they pour it from twisting, and this gives it vertical strength. So they're putting these up, and then the attachments are from here over in the dirt that keeps the wall from leaning. And then on this side, they have these rods that connect on the back side with these little metal plates and hold this plate and this board tight with this little plastic cone. So that's wedging this all really nice and tight. So they drive this down further. The more they drive it down, the tighter it gets. So this is all snug together. They make these in different distances, but this distance here to here is 8 inches because this is going to be an 8-inch concrete wall. They take this and have it here if it's going to be a 10-inch or 12-inch or whatever it might be. But for this scenario, it's an 8-inch wall. A board just like this will go against here. So through here there'll be all these sheets of plywood, and there'll be a trough through here. There'll be a re-rod. Hopefully I'll be able to show you a video of that. But that's where we're at in the process right now for doing this concrete wall. And then this chalk line is in the center. There'll be pieces of rebar drilled into here to keep this wall from sliding. So the concrete will be all in here. It'll be encasing the rebar so this wall can't move forward or backwards. That's what's holding this wall in place right now, but obviously this board is going to come up when they take all the forms off and everything. So the rebar will be in here, but hopefully I'll show you that in another video. That's it.